Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about SoFi Bank. SoFi Bank is a relatively new bank that has been making a lot of waves in the financial industry. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an overview of SoFi Bank and what it has to offer. So, you're thinking about switching to SoFi Bank, but you're not sure if it's the right move? Well, you're not alone. SoFi Bank is a relatively new bank, and it can be hard to know if it's the right fit for you. But don't worry, because I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an in-depth look at SoFi Bank and what it has to offer. By the end of this video, you'll know whether or not SoFi Bank is the right bank for you. So, what is SoFi Bank? SoFi Bank is a high-yield online bank that offers a variety of banking products and services. SoFi Bank was founded in 2011, and it has quickly become one of the most popular online banks in the United States. SoFi Bank is known for its innovative products and services, as well as its competitive interest rates. SoFi Bank products and services. SoFi Bank offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, personal loans, student loans, home loans, credit cards. SoFi Bank's checking and savings accounts offer some of the highest interest rates in the industry. SoFi Bank CDs also offer competitive interest rates. SoFi Bank's personal loans, student loans, and home loans are also some of the most competitive on the market. SoFi Bank fees. SoFi Bank charges no overdraft fees, no monthly fees, and no ATM fees. SoFi Bank also offers free online and mobile banking. SoFi Bank customer service. SoFi Bank offers excellent customer service. SoFi Bank is available 24/7 to answer your questions and help you with anything you need. SoFi Bank pros and cons. Pros: high interest rates, no overdraft fees, no monthly fees, no ATM fees, free online and mobile banking, excellent customer service, innovative products and services. Cons: not as many branches as traditional banks, not as well known as traditional banks. Is SoFi Bank right for you? SoFi Bank is a great option for anyone who is looking for a high-yield online bank with no fees. SoFi Bank is also a good option for anyone who is looking for a bank with excellent customer service and innovative products and services. However, SoFi Bank may not be the right option for you if you are looking for a bank with a large number of branches or a bank that is well known. SoFi Bank is a great option for anyone who is looking for a high-yield online bank with no fees. SoFi Bank is also a good option for anyone who is looking for a bank with excellent customer service and innovative products and services. However, SoFi Bank may not be the right option for you if you are looking for a bank with a large number of branches or a bank that is well known. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about SoFi Bank, please leave a comment below. I would also love to hear your thoughts on SoFi Bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.